time we were here, couldn't get the damn Impala started. The issue is every now and then when I go to start the car, it just turns over, it won't start, but it tries to start and kind of stumbles dead. Sometimes it takes me 10 times to turn it over to start it. Sometimes it's 20 times, sometimes it's 30 times, and sometimes it just won't start at all. If y'all have some suggestions on what the issue is, please let me know. I would love to know, because it is really annoying, not getting annoying. Anyways, let's see if I can get this damn Impala started. Oh my God, it started. I don't know what that's all about, but it did start. So, the only thing I did different was when I tried to start it this time, and I could tell that battery was really low because it was barely turning over. But the only thing I did different this time is I feathered the gas pedal and just tried to start it, and it started. So I don't know. This has really got me stumped. I just don't know what to think anymore. I'll let this thing run for a little bit. Hopefully the battery charges up, and then I'll, I guess, take it for a spin and just see how it's running, and then go from there. But I don't know. I still got to figure out why it's giving me that issue where it won't start, and then like a day or two later it starts up like it's fine. Let's do a quick launch, a hard pull, see what she does. Let's see. Oh yeah. She feels good. Pulling hard. I don't really see any issues with acceleration or anything like that. That there is a thing of beauty right there. She's sexy, isn't she? Look at her. All right, so I took the Impala out for a quick spin, dug in her really good, punched on her, and drove her really hard, man. And she seems to be running fine. I put some more gas in it because it was down to a quarter of a tank, so I topped it off at about just a little bit over the half a tank mark, and it's running like it's purring like a kitten, man. When I punched on it, it didn't hesitate, didn't sputter or anything. It just yank, just took care of business. Sometimes it just won't start at all. So, and then today I hopped in it and I just kind of feathered the gas pedal a little bit and it started right up. So I don't know. You tell me guys what you think it might be. Let me know what you think it is in the comments, because I really would be open to some suggestions at this point.
1 week later.
Where you wanted at, Mike? All right, guys, so we just dropped off the Impala, so we're gonna have Mike and his team look at the issue that's going on. Hopefully they're able to sort it out. Went ahead and had them take a look at the brakes too, because I noticed my pedal's a little spongy. So we'll have them look at that, and then while it's there, we'll have them put a put an oil change, or do an oil change, I should say, and just maybe some general maintenance on the car. Well, guys, I got some great news. I just got a call from West Point Automotive. They they basically said that they figured out the issue with the Impala. Fingers crossed this fixes the issue, but apparently all they did was just cleaned the connections between the OptiSpark and the wiring harness, and they said it's working fine now. So hopefully that is the end of our no start issue. Moment of truth. So we went in and squared up with Mike. We got our car back, ready to go. I'm gonna get out of here. So let's see here. Oh yeah, she starts right up. So I like it. So good so far. So they flushed the brakes. They also, of course, they changed my oil, and then they flushed the brakes, changed the oil, and then they cleaned the terminals on the OptiSpark harness or connector, whatever you want to call it. And Mike says it's running good. Said he didn't see any other issues. So we'll hope for the best, right? He said when they tried to start it, he said that it did the same thing that it did to me, where it wouldn't start. And then he said basically all they did was, he said he touched the area where the connector, you know, where the female and the male connector connect, and he said it started right up. She's running pretty good, guys. No issues so far. We'll keep driving her and see what she does over the next couple weeks. Hopefully that was our fix to our issue. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing and have it washed, because it's filthy. All right, guys, with the detail shop, so we're gonna go ahead and get a full detail on the car. They're gonna do a clay bar, wax, and they're also gonna do a full detail interior on the car. So I'm gonna drop it off, come back, check it out in maybe a couple hours or so. So we'll see what it looks like. Again, we got them here. They're doing their thing. So hopefully when we come back, she'll look squeaky clean, and she'll be ready for Bee-Biters on the Bayou coming up in May. And we'll go down there and have a good showing. I'm excited. Long overdue. She needs a wash bad. So guys, I'm back. The Impala's ready, so I'm just checking it out. Looks pretty good so far. Walking around it, looks like they restored it back to its old glory. There she is, guys. She's all done. And the sun is beaming just right. The red is popping. So looking pretty good. They just doing some last minute touch up details on it. But overall, guys, she's nice. Happy with what I see. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, guys. I appreciate you tuning in again. As always, I appreciate the support. And until next time, guys, be safe, take care, stay prayed up, stay out the way, okay? See y'all next time. Take care. Bye.